Welcome to Decoriolab, my world of Suminagashi. Today I invite you on a very special journey, a journey not across roads or maps, but across the surface of water. Suminagashi art is more than 1,000 years old. Its origins lie deep within Japanese culture, where everything is connected to nature. For the Japanese, water has always been a mirror of the world, flowing, impermanent, and yet eternal. And perhaps this is why Suminagashi touches our hearts so deeply. After all, we ourselves are made mostly of water. In Suminagashi, brushes are never submerged. They only touch the surface, like a gentle breeze brushing across a lake. Each touch leaves a trace, cycle after cycle, wave after wave, the pattern begins to unfold. The ink does not sink, it spreads, expands, breezes across the water. Each drop is like the breeze of nature itself. Thoughts dissolve, worries drift away, and what remains before the eyes is only the rhythm of water. Suminagashi is not about the final result. It's about the process. It's about allowing yourself to be present here and now, to listen to the water, to trust it. If you try to control too much, the harmony is lost. If you trust, the design creates itself, as if it had always been waiting here. When I paint, time causes to move in lines. It begins to flow like the water itself, not rushing, not hurrying. There are no minutes, no hours, only breath, only movement, only the soft whisper of the brush. In Japanese culture, this is called Zen, the state of present. You are not waiting for the future, and you are not clinging to the past. You simply are. The water simply is. And in this simplicity, beauty is born. Every line, every form is unpredictable. It reminds us that life flows in its own ways, sometimes gently, sometimes in waves, sometimes unexpected. And yes, in all of this lies its harmony. Perhaps what is why Suminagashi feels so magnetic. There is no struggle, no rush, no competition. There is only agreement with nature and trust in the water. I use handmade cotton paper, strong and alive. Each sheet is unique, ready to receive only one design. It cannot be repeated. When the paper touches the surface, the image is given, as if the water itself inspires it. That moment is a gift. Moving slowly, carefully, I let it touch the surface, and in that instant the pattern, which a moment ago lived only on water, in turns underwater. Now it will remain forever, preserved on paper. Each time it feels like a small miracle. That was feeling becomes eternal.